yung scenarios, and click mo lang yung production scenario. Click mo yung save button, click OK, and then tignan mo lang yung mga objectives kung ano kailangan mong gawin. Ngayon kailangan kong bumili ng dalawang computer na need ni Moe at Carl. Click yung workstation and then drag, and then drag ulit. Your computers are not all hooked to the network. Use the network screen and connect them to the network called LAN 1. Click mo lang yung network and then click mo yung si Moe and then click ni LAN 1 and click ulit si Curly para makonect dun sa network. Now that you have the computers they need IT stuff at kailangan mong i-hire si Larry. And then next na gawin is click mo yung attack log, malicious software, and Moe. Curly as open as it. Ngayon kailangan mong instruct si Moe at si Curly sa no external software. I mean beware of email attachment. Moe has downloaded software which contain. Click mo lang yung no external software. The same din kay Moe. You instruct Moe but they don't select. Kailangan mo silang i-train parehas. Click mo lang yung medium training para mas marami yung mas malawak yung knowledge nila. Successfully established procedures. Now, positive pa rin naman yung pera niya. So, tignan mo itong objectives sa page 3. Balik ko sa office. User zone screen. Physical lock door. Kailangan kong gamitin dito is cipher lock. Mas mga gagamitin dito pang company kasi yung mga device pang computer, pang company lang. Oo pala, click mo pala yung automatic lock attended. Same din kay Carly. Then, congratulations. Screenshot lang natin. Next is scenario 2 in physical security. Click OK. And then, naman mo na yung objectives para makita mo kung ano mga gagawin mo. Mga need mong gagawin. Okay, mga pinag natin dito is delete natin yung public and then click the secret para malimit lang yung mga access sa para ma-permit lang natin. Ayan, makikita mo dito kung kailangan physical security ang kailangan. And then click mo yung zone and then makita mo sa 231 click mo lang yung cycle para maging 326 which is na-reach niya na yung kailangan ng physical security. Then, i-resume mo lang yung game. Okay, you receive $100 bonus to get to the next phase. Then, click mo yung asset. Then, Intel Summary. Click mo yung top secret para makita mo kung ilang physical security ang kailangan ng Jerry. Para click sa may isolated, kailangan ko si green room kasi dun mas isolated yung kanyang place. And then, makita mo sa physical security ko na 425 lang at need kong i-increase ng 700. Okay, click ko yun. Mag-hire ako ng Dead Eye na guard. 600 na. Then, need ko pa ng isa, which is hand scanner. And then, 716. Tingin ko sa okay, na-reach na natin yung 700. And then, naka-public siya. Need nating ibahin ng top secret para si Jerry lang yung naka-permit doon. Then, next na green room sounds to pick down middle and then drag my computer there. Drag lang natin si Jerry papunta sa green room or isolated room. Kaya hirap. Hindi ko makilik.
Tapos ka na? Tapos na pre?
And then yan, nadrag ko na. And then, ilagay natin sa isolated room ni Jerry. Wala. At nadrag na natin kay Jerry yung kanyang computer. Sige man ito sa physical security. Okay, okay naman yung pera, yung cost bonus, hindi siya negative, still positive. Then, congratulations, you complete the cyber shells. Kailangan lang natin siya screenshot.